Package dimensions: 5.2 cm, L, by 15.1 cm, W, by 25.3 cm H. Package type: auto part. Package quantity: 1. Country of origin: United States. Model number: 260-15098. Wilwood's new GS compact remote master cylinders are an all-new rebuild-able design featuring a high-pressure die-cast aluminum body with a protective E-coat finish. Remote cylinders feature a standard 7/16-20 threaded inlet. Internally, a refined return spring and piston assembly assures positive pressure control along with a quick and complete release. Top reviews from the United States. For the slidey car funstick. I fit this up with my ISR V2 handbrake on my G35. It is set up to feed my independent Akebono rear calipers with Chase Bayes hoses. I've bought one of these master cylinders before and thought it had a break in the plunger seal. Turns out I just didn't bench bleed it enough. With this one, I took my time and bench bled it thoroughly. Installed it in no time and bled the rest of the brake system. It does a great job locking up the rear wheels with minimal effort.